Welcome to another unboxing from the Perth Mint. Today we are excited to reveal the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Dome Shell 2025 1.5 ounce silver antique colored coin. This officially licensed coin is housed in Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles theme presentation packaging and comes with a numbered certificate of authenticity. Struck from 1.5 ounce of 99.99% pure silver, the colored coin is shaped like the iconic Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles green dome shell, representing the brothers' strength, unity, and resilience as crime-fighting superheroes. The design includes the inscription TMNT and the Perth Mint's P-Mint mark. The coins offers portrays the Jodie Clark effigy of His Majesty King Charles III, as well as the weight, purity, monetary denomination, and 2025 year date. The coin has also been individually antiqued to give it a unique finish, conveying the surface abrasion of an ancient artifact. With only 1,500 coins available, secure your Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Dome Shell 2025 1.5 ounce silver antique colored coin at the Perth Mint shop or online at perthmint.com.